Hi everyone, welcome back to Toni Tuesday. I'm Toni, this is my life.
I'm Elena.
Today we are doing a Halloween makeup look. I'll insert my picture of what I'm trying to do. Melina, are you kind of like winging it?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with the flow.
So we went to Hot Costumes, and do you want to show some of the stuff that you got? She's incorporating like burns and like welts on your face, which would be cool. And I just have a lot of like makeup stuff. Like I just got the little like basic crayons that. Okay. We have everything lined up in front of us, so yeah, you can eat. So we'll show you guys how it goes. And I have a mirror right next to me.
Me too.
First, to get the whole base of my look, since I'm doing like a melted face, I'm going to start with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost and just kind of put that on.
You're not gonna put a primer on?
No.
Oh.
Do you always do that?
I'm a makeup artist, guys, so I put my primer on.
Okay.
Oh god, why is it not focusing? Okay, there we go. It's the Too Faced Hangover. Cause like,
wow, this is washing me out. Perfect. I don't know if you guys remember in my Get Ready With Me video when I was doing makeup, I used a concealer that was way too light for me. Here it is. And now I'm going to, this is my, I don't know if you could tell the difference. This is, you literally can't. But that concealer is super, super light. So I'm going to use that as like the melting effect. And I'm going to kind of shade it around too. So it might look cool. Do you want to show what you're doing in the camera?
sorry. I was cutting, guys, but it was kind of hard to cut. Oh.
That's so gross.
So you said this is you just apply water, so I was thinking to maybe apply here. What do you guys think? Or should I apply on my forehead?
I don't know.
Wait, how do you do this though? I'm confused.
I don't know if you peel it off because it's really
do I
sticky.
do it like
oh, no, because then the bubbly part's on the inside.
Should we read directions?
You could do that.
1 second.
She's under the table. Can I use your phone to see my picture inspo?
It's 2319. Do you guys know what 2319 means? Do you know what that means?
No. Rose, what does it mean?
How do you not know? Monsters Inc. 2319, 2319. We have a 2319.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't remember.
319! We have a 2319!
It says how to apply. Open blah blah blah. I'm not good at English, let me tell you. Peel plastic with FX from transfer paper.
I don't know if I'm doing this right.
Hello? Oh, look at this. It's kind of cool.
I also just wanted to let you guys know that we have work in about an hour. So if we go to work with all of this on our face, I guess happy Halloween.
Oh, Toni, I think we did do it wrong.
What did we do?
I think... Well, that was ruined.
Why?
Because I... Okay, let's read this one. We want to experience with FedEx Transfer 1. Before applying for indexes, be sure to read instructions and carefully go over.
Ew. So now I'm just blending to make it look kind of like a shadow, because what this girl is that she's like a drippy shadow monster, I'm assuming. And then maybe I can... Oh my god, that's perfect.
Oh, I did it wrong again. What is that to do? What is that to do?
Sorry, I didn't mean to stare at you. I'm just confused. Why isn't it working? Melina, you're putting... The bubbles aren't supposed to go on your face. It's supposed to go the other direction.
Then how do I do it, Toni?
I don't really know. Is it sticking? Press it on, maybe.
Oh, it looks weird, though.
Oh, Melina! Now that I did that, I'm going to take my concealer and draw it along these lines to make it look like I'm starting to drip onto my head. Do I look like I'm dripping now? Cool.
So.
Now I'm gonna do eyebrows, I think. And basically the eyebrows are just squiggly brows. And then they kind of just drip down at the bottom, which is good because I don't know how to draw eyebrows anyways.
And then it's set to add a little water. Which I did, and we're gonna get some paper napkins. And we're gonna hold like a tattoo, remember? Dun, 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 dun. Looks like I have a hole.
A hole?
Mm-hmm. Toni, look. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows because you know eyebrows are life.
For some reason I thought this was gonna turn out a lot better than it actually is already. I don't know if it's because I'm ugly or if it's because I'm bad at makeup, but this is
Toni,
embarrassing.
You're beautiful. And it's Halloween, you're supposed to be ugly.
Thank you.
You should be
It's not working. Now that I'm annoyed, we're going to move on.
When are you not annoyed?
I know. What about?
What?
We're gonna move on to the eyeball part. So I just wanted to come in here right now. I didn't realize that's what my side profile looks like. And for all of you who say that I have a big nose, literally, you're not wrong.
Toni's so funny.
I look horrifying right now.
I can't laugh too much because I have a double chin.
Okay, good. This does not look like an eyeball, but it's fine. It's going to. Give it time.
So I just put a little matte spray, setting spray on my blender brush, sponge.
Beauty
Jesus.
blender.
Beauty blenders.
Now that we've completed my eyeball, I just need to do the my actual eye itself melting.
So I was set with my Peachy Perfect blur because I think it's awesome.
Okay, why is it only focused on you now? Oh, no.
Where'd you get this tripod?
A Five Below.
Why is it not working?
Did you break it? Let me just get a close-up for now. Does it look drippy or just disgusting?
So I'm using my Tarte Toasted palette because it has burnt on and amber. So I'm gonna add a little color into these burns right here. And it's called Cozy, right? Does it look good or no?
What are you doing?
Adding some color in here.
Oh yeah, I see it. Cool. Yeah, keep going.
So I'm gonna get my James Charles Morphe palette.
Nice. All right. Wait, are you kidding me?
So we're gonna add a little blood now. A bubble.
Now, to darken up the look a little bit, I'm going to use my Morphe palette right here. And we're going to, I don't know, just put color around the areas that are melting. Shoot. All right, I put too much color.
So now I'm just gonna wipe in the blood that I put on those bubbles. So it looks like it's a pus bubble.
Okay, I'm adding some dimension into my look. Perfect.
See? Does that look more real than? Ooh, I think it does.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'll tell her to shut up. Ready?
Shh. No, she doesn't have to. Shh. Wait.
Wait, Kara, come back.
Maybe I'll do some eye makeup to look pretty now. Nice. I guess since the whole thing is dripping, it only made sense to do a dripping eyeliner, right?
Of course.
Mm-hmm. Welcome back.
Looks good.
Which one?
You guys can follow my makeup page at Mimi Looks. So right now, as my cut crease, because I want to do like a red with a smoky glitter, I'm gonna cut my crease just with regular concealer. I'm gonna just do an oval.
Not really short though.
My neck hurts really bad.
What was that?
The stick went in my eye and I just laid it on my face. What did you do?
Put in flame.
Put in flame?
Mm-hmm. The color flame.
Oh,
Toni?
yes, okay. Do you happen to have red lipstick or no?
I do actually. Toni, this is all lipstick.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, cool. So now I'm using this. And this suits the look because it's drippy and so am I.
I'm supposed to have burns on my face.
Yo, that looks gross as fuck.
This?
Yeah.
Does it look real?
Yeah, it looks disgusting.
Thank you.
Hi.
What in the world? Let me tell you, this is not what I was expecting.
Does my face look like it's dripping off?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, so we're getting more reactions in this video than we are.
Toni, what happened to your lips? Oh, what about now?
Which one am I looking at now?
All of them, Toni.
Oh.
Do your nose, Toni.
What do I do with my nose? Oh.
Add something in your forehead. Oh yeah, add one of these. The middle of your forehead. Let's use a little bullet spray so it can look like I got shot and burned, but like, who knows, right?
Cool. I just got shot in the head twice. Okay, so I kind of missed my target.
Guys, I'm gonna put.
Oh,
It is.
my nose is about to drip. Okay.
Oh, your nose is dripping. You have a bloody nose, Toni.
We have a guest star. What do you think of my makeup?
Who did it?
Me. Does it look like a dripping lady that was just shot in the head?
You look like it's your first year of the purge and you're like still learning. You're like
Thank you.
kind of scary, but you're not gonna kill anyone yet. You look great.
Thank
you.
you.
Look good too, Elena.
Thank you.
You guys, oh my Jesus Christ, I can see the boils in your gut.
All right, everyone. So I think that's the end of this video. Sorry it came out like this.
I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post again.
And tune in for the next Toni Tuesday. See you then.
Skirt, skirt.
Love you all.